So if you want to make study fun or boring things fun, you first have to understand the basics and some scientific terms. So there is a scientific reason behind it. So I guess we all are familiar with dopamine. What is dopamine? So if you don't know what is dopamine, so dopamine is a hormone in our brain that is released when we feel good or when we are interested in a work. And basically when we feel good, the dopamine hormone released. So if somehow you manage to release that dopamine at boring jobs, then you can basically hack your mind, getting feeling good from any kind of jobs, no matter how boring it is, like studying uh, and everything, reading. So how to do it? First you have to understand that uh, you get dopamine from studying too. There's a little bit of dopamine, there's a tiny amount of dopamine, but it is very less compared to the social media or hardcore funs. Social media gives you a lot of dopamine, especially reels, Instagram reels. That's the highest amount of dopamine you can get from any virtual device. So imagine you hit dopamine uh, at this level and studying is at this level, then how we can get more fun if study is this and insta reels is higher? First you have to remove that high amount of dopamine from your daily routine. So basically if you want to make study fun, the simple rule is don't consume any content, don't scroll social media before doing it, before studying or before your work, whatever you do. It can be content creation, it can be studying. Just don't do any fun things before your work, and that gonna help you.